Hi, and welcome to the School for Somatic Groundwork. My name is Kayla June Kelly-Cooley, and I am the creative director for this educational project. Interdisciplinary Movement in Somatics, or IMSomatics, is our professional teacher training for somatic groundwork. The program is for teachers, therapists, and artists who want to learn the art and science of somatic movement and inquiry and apply this knowledge to help others move from relaxation, restore whole person well-being, and enhance creativity and motivation. IMSomatics is a 2-year program and is delivered 100% virtually. The program includes a robust education site and live events like classes, workshops, and discussion groups. IMSomatics also includes one-to-one mentoring with the IMS Total membership, which is the graduation path, and also includes an option to earn the Associate Somatic Movement Educator credential with ISMETA, the International Somatic Movement Education and Therapy Association. We have members all over the world because of our online platform. People choose IMSomatics because they want a comprehensive education in somatic movement with embodied practice, theory, and applied professional skills. Our somatic pedagogy includes several interrelated lenses: neurofascial, developmental, and decolonial. These lenses provide a systems view for how we understand and research somatics. Somatic groundwork applies 3 approaches to movement: yielding practices, unwinding methods, and patterns of organization. Members learn how to guide these approaches through specific movement exercises, improvisational studies, and somatic activities. The movement system is flexible and easy to integrate with other methods and modalities such as yoga, dance, fitness, outdoor education, and art making. IMSomatics addresses movement design, working with clients one-on-one, and teaching group classes. Collectively, somatic groundwork teachers are inspirited to uplift somatic movement and inquiry as a tonic medicine for structural hygiene and creative expression, and to cultivate good relating with ourselves, other humans, and the more than human world. If you're interested to see if IMSomatics is a good fit for you, then I encourage you to book a call with me. Let's talk.